Are you still typing January, February, March one by one into Excel like it is 1995? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you how autofill. Every day, thousands of Excel users waste precious time typing out repetitive sequences like Monday through Friday or 1 through 100, or a list of department names. Here is how autofill works. Start by typing your first one or two values into a cell to establish a pattern. For dates, type January 1st in cell A1 and January. The real magic happens when you right-click and drag the fill handle instead of left-clicking, because Excel gives you a special menu with powerful fill options. You can choose fill days. Look at this, an entire column of weekday dates, a perfectly incrementing number series, and even a custom list of department names all filled in under 5 seconds. You just mastered Excel AutoFill for dates, number sequences, and custom series, a skill that will save you hours of repetitive typing.